We often see beef, chicken, or fish pie, and I ask, what happened to turkey? Turkey Lady C is here for you today. Hello, creative bangers. Let's make some turkey pie. In here, I have my well-seasoned boiled turkey breast. I am going to cut it into chunks to aid the blending process. Add that into my processor. Go ahead and roughly blend. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, once I'm done, this is what I have. Next, go ahead and grate your Irish potato or sweet potato, depending on the one that you want to use. I also went ahead to do the same thing with carrot. Feel free to chop them if you wish. Go ahead and set it aside. In a saucepan, you are going to drizzle some oil. To that, I move in with freshly grated ginger. I added some onion, stir to combine very well. Now I move in with the roughly blended turkey. I move in with the carrot, potato. I added some salt, curry powder, and my mixed spices. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Once that is done, you are going to add either water or moving with the turkey stock. That's what I'm using. I'm using the turkey stock. Make sure you add it to be on the same level of the sauce. Stir, cover, and bring to a boil for about a minute. A minute later, I'm going to stir one more time, moving with your slurry. Slurry simply means cornstarch dissolved with water. Add it into the sauce. Now I'm going to add spring onion for extra flavor. Cover and allow to wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds later, voila! Look at that sauce. For some reasons, I don't like dry sauce when it comes to pie, so feel free to do you. Okay, go ahead and take it off the heat, transfer into another bowl, and allow to cool down completely. Emphasis on completely. Set it aside. Now let's mix the dough. In a bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg. To that, I move in with butterscotch flavor. Finally, I'm going to add half cup of water. You can skip the egg and the flavor. Feel free to use only water alone. I have videos like that on my channel. Okay, go ahead and mix to combine very well, then set it aside. Okay, now in another bowl, moving with your flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Very important. To the flour, I'm going to add some salt, cornstarch for extra flaky, and milk flavor. This milk flavor is totally optional. You can substitute with milk powder, but I love the color and the taste that it gives me to the pie. Mix to combine very well. Now moving with either butter or margarine. Go ahead and rub in the margarine and the butter together till everything is well combined. Beautiful shout out to you, Nelly, watching from Jakarta, Indonesia. Melissa from New Jersey, America. Funke Williams from Ivory Coast. Kenechukwu, watching from Enugu State, Nigeria, and Splendid Royal, all the way from Qatar. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. Alright, after mixing, you can see that we have a moldable texture. Go ahead and add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now, when it comes to pie, you don't mix, you bring the dough together. If you are with me at this moment, type bringing the dough together. Alright, what I did was to transfer the dough to my work surface so that I will have enough space to bring it together. After bringing it together, you can see what the texture looks like. It's a crust dough. Okay, now I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. I'm going to wrap it up with a film. If you don't have a refrigerator, please, it's important you allow the dough to rest, but I'm going to let my own to rest in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I pick up one while the other one is still resting in the refrigerator. All right. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide into 4 equal parts. Okay. Pick up one. It is time to pie. If you are with me at this moment, type pie time at the comment section. Go ahead and roll. The thickness of your dough depends on you. It can be 2 or 3 millimeter thickness. Okay, once that is done, get your dumpling mold. This makes the job very faster and easier. Gently lift the rolled dough. Please remember that the dough is breaking apart, so you need to be careful. Transfer to the dumpling mold. Now you are going to move in with the filling. You are going to add the filling in one part of the dumpling. Okay, now I rub in some water. This is going to help the dough to stick together. Go ahead and cover, press it, making sure that they stick very well to each other. All right, take out the excess ones, and that's it. Very simple and easy. I open it and we have our pie. Looking so cute. I'm loving it. I don't have dumpling mold, ladies. See, what should I do? Come on, I got your back. Go ahead and roll just like we did to the first one. Any round object in your kitchen, yes, depending on the size that you want. Go ahead, use a kitchen knife and cut in a round shape. Take out the excess ones and you are left with a perfect round shape. Oh, look at that. Now I'm going to rub in water at the edges just like we did to the one in the dumpling, moving with the filling. Look at that filling. Are you feeling that filling? Go ahead and cover. First, I seal with the tip of my fingers. If you aren't sure if it was properly sealed, please move in with your fork and seal properly. Very important. It's very important to seal properly. And that's it. Very simple and easy. Repeat the same process with the other ones. It is time to brush with an egg. Assemble in a baking pan like so. Go ahead and brush with a beaten egg. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Bake in a preheated oven for 40 minutes and there you have it. I love my pie golden brown. It gives me more appetizing look to eat the pie. It turned out so well. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Can your pie ever? Let's feel the texture together. Look at that. Oh my word. Very flaky. And the inside, very succulent. Look at that. I'm loving it. Oh, can your pie ever? I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.